had the audacity to give me a new student with a few weeks of school left? Who authorized that? Somebody who ain't got to teach them. They don't see nothing wrong with that? After testing, we watching movies for the rest of the year. What movie, Mr. Brown? Pick one. I don't care. Just keep the volume low. I started letting my remote kids take virtual naps. One teacher tried to uplift me. She gonna tell me that my raises and my praise. But she wasn't talking about church. She was talking about getting compliments from admin. She almost got me to raise a finger. But I'm a teacher Christian and I'm trying. Show me praise with an actual raise. I'm so ready for the district to be my ex. I don't even comb my beard out no more. I could care less about my appearance. They just better be lucky I decided to appear. I'm sick of the rigmarole. Everybody's countenance is like a flat tire. Low. Even the school building is leaning. One of my teacher friends said he went to Mexico to get weight loss surgery. He came back bigger. Looked like he went out there and got some recipes. Came back looking like a gigantopithecus.
What's that?
That's just a word I heard while I was watching The Jungle Book. I was looking for the right time to use it. Either way, that was wrong. It just seemed like everybody up here is acting. This is one big stage play. I'll be glad when the curtains close. I wish they would ask me to teach summer school. I'm not even gonna answer. I'm gonna just look at them and walk off.